Juan is the same height as 3 desks. If each desk is 2 feet, how tall is Juan? Okay, so looking at this, and I drew a diagram of Juan and 3 desks. And if you want to draw this diagram down in your notes, you can. So we have Juan and 3 desks. Those are equivalent heights because they told us they were the same height. So here, the 3 desks stacked on top of each other and Juan are the same height. So if each desk is 2 feet, so we have 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, and some of you are like, oh my gosh, I already know what this is. Some of you are still struggling. So it's 2, 4, 6 feet tall. So just by looking at this, we can see that he's 6 feet tall. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to make this in algebra. Okay, so I'm going to say the letter J is for 1. Super easy. And then 3 desks, I'm going to say that a desk is the letter D. Okay, so 1 is as tall as 3 desks. That is one way to write the equation. We could have also said desk plus desk plus desk because we have 1, 2, 3 desks. We could have added it 3 times. So we could have also said 1 is desk plus desk plus desk, but we're lazy, we're efficient. We don't want to write desk 3 times, so we're just using the letter D 3 times. So here, I like this better because we're showing the multiplication. So now when they said each desk is 2 feet, they're telling us that a desk is 2 feet. So mathematicians, we're very efficient. We're very lazy. We don't have to write more than we have to. I like to write D for desk equals for is 2 for 2 feet. Okay? So if one's a height of 3 desks, what we can do, knowing that each desk is 2 feet tall, we can substitute just like we did before when we're evaluating expressions. We're going to substitute that 2 in parentheses so we know this is multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, I only focused on the equation here. You need to make sure that you keep it, focus on the expression here. You need to make sure you keep it as an equation. So each one of these, we have to say Juan is. Juan is. So Juan is 3 times the 2 feet per desk. So Juan is a total of 6. 6 what? So we have to also come back and interpret. Juan is 6 feet tall. Juan is also 3 desks tall, but no one knows the measurement of a desk unless they tell it to you. So Juan is 6 feet tall. Okay, so write down the key information. Okay, so Juan is 3 desks. And maybe add the word 3 desks tall so it makes sense. Okay, each desk is 2 feet. So you can write desk equals 2. And then you need to write down at least starting at this step. Okay, so I'm going to come back in, emphasize with another color what you need to copy. So Juan is the same height. You can put Juan equals 3 desks if you wanted to, or Juan is 3 desks tall. Each desk is 2 feet. And then these facts here. Okay, anything else you want to add, you are welcome to add.